All right, today I am going to show you how to do a screen capture on a Mac computer. All right, but before we get started, can you go ahead and subscribe to my channel and also check the description part of the page for more great videos on how to operate your Mac computer. So let's get started. So to do a screen capture, what you're going to do is you are going to look at your keyboard and you're going to find the Shift key, you're going to find the Command key, and you're going to find the number 4 key. And once you've found the Shift key, the Command key, and the number 4 key, you're going to press both of them, all three of them, at the same time. Now let's do it together. Shift key, Command key, and 4 key. Let's press it. All right. Once you do that, it brings up this screen right here. You see this little counter thing right here? It looks like a target right here. And after you've done that, you just drag your mouse or drag your finger across the pad, and you select the area that you want to capture, and it captures it. And if you can look down here at the bottom of the page, right here in the bottom corner, it comes right here, and it shows you what you just captured right there. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.